We're going to go over how to produce foam and operate the foam fan. First, fill one of the 2 trash cans with water, then pour in 1 foam packet. Do not pour a foam powder packet in the trash can before filling with water. This will cause the solution to foam up and not work properly. Stir the mixture thoroughly with the provided paddle until you can't see any clumps. The mixed solution should look hazy at the end of your stirring. The water pump should only be transferred from bucket to bucket. Never place the pump on the ground. This will cause the pump and fan to clog, preventing foam production. Now to turn on the foam fan and create foam, flip the switch on the tripod and watch the magic happen. We recommend running the foam fan 10 minutes on, then 10 minutes off, and repeating the sequence throughout the event. While the fan is running, you should be filling and mixing the next bucket of foam solution. During the event, you will have to swap the pump back and forth between the 2 buckets when the in-use bucket becomes empty. But also keep in mind, 1 full bucket of solution will only run about 20 minutes.